Hello. Hello from IP SoC 26 in Silicon Valley. I have the pleasure to be with Mahesh Tirupattur. It's complicated. He was our keynote speaker today. This is important. So you know why. He's the CEO of Analog Bits, and they're the champion of power consumption decrease. And you all know that it's the hottest topic of the world. So we are very happy to listen to his talk today. And I think he will give us some highlights about it.
Absolutely. Gabrielle, welcome to sunny California. The weather did change today for you to make the brighter side. I'm honored to be here, as always. Good to see friends and industry collaboration. Analog Bits continues to pave on a path of being a leader in advanced IP development, specifically in more advanced nodes, FinFETs, gate-all-around, and all the more advanced process nodes. I'm very pleased to show you this is our second 2-nanometer chip. Now, granted, this looks like a small chip. A usual chip in a 2-nanometer is huge. Like, people almost carry this. These days, they even carry a big wafer-like chip. But even though the chip is small, it has about 15 IPs of analog bits. And these are all proven in silicon. We have a demonstration in our booth. And this is the test board. So even though we are an IP company, we have to design it, have it manufactured, have it packaged, have it tested as if it's going to be used in a customer environment, and so that it's ready for consumption. So it's a quite interesting journey. It's a tough journey, but we are in for it.
I have maybe a very strange question. You are very good at 2 nano, and we are very impressed. But to make your money and your business, sometimes people tell us the money it cannot be made with this narrow geometry. It's too large. So for IP provider like you who are so excellent in advance, it is a good business track also because you earn your money after all.
Yeah. So as they say, early bird catches the worm. So being first in the market is very important. But you also have to be thoughtfully first in the market. You cannot just be, okay, I'm going to first in the market in something that people don't need. So you got to make sure the products that we create, which is today a high-end product in 2-nanometer, but in 3 to 5 years, it'll become mainstream. And then in about 5 to 7 years, it's going to be low cost. But every product goes through the same life cycle. And so for us to be in advance first with our customers, the leading edge customer, is important because it's a credibility and a track record. Yes, you don't make all your money in the first 3-4 customers, maybe in the 7th and 8th customers. But it's very important to have that leading edge customer base because you can follow through on it. Yesterday, I was at the TSMC symposium. Everything they're showing is moving towards FinFET. So we were doing FinFET about 10, 12 years ago, and we were the first in FinFET. And so now we can see that the late market is all moving there as well. So it's a continuum. So being first, qualifying it in multiple test chips, qualifying it in multiple customer design, and getting design win in many of these customer designs are very, very important. The area really we are focusing on is power management and power delivery. I mean, I don't need to preach about power to anyone. Everyone knows it's a national problem and a continent problem and a world problem. What's important on these big SoC is people are trying to optimize power. So today, one has to sense where the power is being consumed, and observe it, and give customers the ability to rectify and change course. So those are some of the areas that we're working on, and we're pretty excited to work on those areas.
If I understand, you have a long-term vision when you work at 2 nano. We are young and we see far away, okay?
Yes, we do. We're not clairvoyant, but we try to see through the
There we go. Okay, thank you very much. Next time again. Bye-bye.
Thank you.